Hello everyone, good morning. Time check, it's 7:05 in the morning and the sun is shining in our succulent right now. So I'm here in my veranda area and my location is in Silang, Cavite, Philippines. So I wake up so early today, yeah, just to clean up or to prepare my succulents for this coming rainy season. So, what do I do when I prepare my succulents for rainy season? And it's also usually my maintenance or what do I do here in my succulent garden whenever I have spare time of cleaning them up. Actually, I have started cleaning up on this side only. So, I started at around 5:45 a.m. So, I was able to clean up this succulent by removing their dried leaves, checking for if there are pests, and I was able to see some mealybugs. As you can see, there are some ants where I placed them. So I was able to spray alcohol on them. Yeah, so these are the parts that I was able to to clean up. And for our laon, because of the first full rain, it was attacked by fungus and I was able to save some leaves. So hoping that it will give us offsets. Yeah. So I just leave the leaves there. And then most of them are really okay. And what I did is just remove the weeds and the dried leaves, spray alcohol, yeah, on our succulents that have mealybug. And we have a visitor on one part of our succulent there. I hope you can see it clearly that there's a cricket, I think, but yeah, so I don't want to disturb. I think it's not eating the succulent naman. So I will just leave it there behind. So I also want to give some respect to some of the insects that's visiting our succulent garden. So I just hope it will not eat the whole succulent. Yeah. So this part of succulents have also mealybugs, so I sprayed alcohol on it. So and there are also some succulents that really have growth and becomes very lush, just like our Echidericeptile at the back. Yeah. And as well as our Chloe, it got too big, and our Hera too. Yeah. And look at the color of our mule. So pretty as well, especially our laon. Very purple. Then there are also some that I am afraid that they might cut. They might have mealybugs just like this suyon because it's very compact and it's really susceptible to mealybugs. And for our fish fry, two pots, which is really susceptible to mealybugs, what I did is I just really remove or clean up the lower part of the stem of the fish fried or the succulent. So it's like bald, but that's the way I clean it up in preparation for rainy days because if there are lots of leaves at the bottom part of the succulent, mealybugs would really come in and I really saw some mealybugs already. So I decided to remove lots of leaves there. Yeah. So I was able to finish this side, but I still have to finish this one, two, three, four pots. But the rest, they are all clean up. So it's already 7 o'clock. I started at 5:45. So imagine just cleaning up this spot on this side only. I was able to spend around 2 hours already. So I'm not yet still done. There's still 4 pots there that I showed that I have to clean up. And for these two head, I was able to get lots of dried leaves and there are lots of mealybugs. So I was able to spray alcohol and I also put alcohol on the soil to make sure that there are no mealybugs on the soil. If there is, it will die. So this is the alcohol that I am using. 70% isopropyl alcohol. And I wanted to show you also what are the tools that I use. So I usually have scissor, uh, brush, old toothbrush, yeah, to brush off any scales if ever there is. Brush to brush off the mealybugs. I also use small puller, long tongs, and this is the amount of leaves that I was able to remove. Dried leaves, yeah, and the leaves that I was able to remove on the bottom parts of the succulent. So that's my usual routine here in my succulent garden whenever I stay here to do maintenance. So as much as possible. Oh no, there's a bee. Oh, it's so big. I got so I got so afraid. Yeah. So there. So that's what I usually so this working table. That's why I leave a space here on the cactus table. It's because I usually use this space to clean up my or whenever I have to do some cleaning up on my succulents. So 2 hours just for this pot. So that's how many pots that I have cleaned today. So we really have to remove the dry leaves and check for pests before the full rain really comes this rainy season. Why? Because if we do not really clean them up and there are pests already on it, the pests would really multiply a lot and it would really damage the succulent. So it's better to be preventive and prepare our succulents for rainy days. So that's all my sharing for today. I hope you learned something new and I hope you're preparing also for the rainy season, though the last rain that you were able to get is last Friday, yeah, but I'm not so sure if during nighttime it's raining. So that's all for today. I have to finish my cleaning up of the pots of succulent. So 4 more pots, then I will stop. Then I'll check if I can do maintenance again or cleaning up here in the succulent garden tomorrow again. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye bye and God bless us all. Happy gardening everyone. Bye bye. God bless us all.